Signal, Colaba, Province of Biliran. We're open at 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday through Saturday.
Okay, kahapon na atong natanan. Welcome na atong grand opening ang Signal and Supply. So may nakita na promo. Ang atong Signal, nagkakantidad ng 3,090 hadto. Yan natag markdown kita in 2,590. So, nag-off kita in 500 pesos. So, damo nga salamat ka po, burger guys.
In behalf of Cellcom Signal, we would like to congratulate Ma'am Gina Ann for your newly opened Signal store here in Colaba, Biliran. Once again,